If you want to improve your Fortnite game, having the right controller settings is important. Here are some tips to help you set up your controller for the best experience. First, adjust your sensitivity settings. This controls how quickly your character turns. A good starting point is to set your look sensitivity between 5 and 7. This will help you aim better without being too fast. You can adjust it later as you get more comfortable. Now, next, try using Builder Pro for your building controls. This setting makes it easier to switch between building types quickly. You'll be able to build walls, ramps, and floors much faster, which is crucial in battles. All right, so another helpful setting is to enable auto run. This allows your character to run without having to press the stick all the time. This can free up your hands for aiming and building. All right. Now finally, don't forget to customize your button layout. Make sure the buttons that you use most are easy to reach. Practice with your new settings in creative mode to get used to them. With these adjustments, you'll be ready to jump into action and have more fun playing Fortnite. Let me know if this helps in the comments.